Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Chinese with Charlie. 我是 Charlie. In today's video, we're going to talk about one character that is quite basic, but it has several meanings. Let's take a look. This character is 有. And when we look at Chinese character 有, we will see two meanings of it. The first one is to possess something. So that is in English, to have something. For example, I have a phone, I have a computer, I have $500. And the second meaning of it is to exist. And that in English would be there is or there are something. So how do we use this 有? If we want to talk about possessing something, then we would put somebody or something in front of 有, and then after 有 we have something. So basically it means somebody has something. Alright? And if we use 有 as to exist, then at the beginning of the sentence we need to write some words that is related to a place. So this word can express kind of meaning of a building or a room or etc. Or you can also use a locative phrase. What does it mean, locative phrase here? A locative phrase is a noun plus 上, which means on something, or a noun plus 里, which means in something, or a noun plus 下, that is under something. And of course we have different words for different positions, but here I only give you 3 of them. Alright? So a locative phrase consists of a noun and a position. This position can be 上, on something, 里, in something, or 下, under something. And we have so many of them. Alright, now we have already talked about sentence structure. Now let's look at several sentences. In the first sentence, 我有一本书. 我有一本书. So here at the beginning of the sentence is somebody, that is I. So I have a book. 我有一本书. So in this sentence, 有 means to have, to possess. Now, the second one. 他没有时间. 他没有时间. So, at the beginning of the sentence, it's 他 somebody, and after 没有, it's time. 时间, it's a noun. So, somebody doesn't have something. He doesn't have time. One thing I forgot to mention is when we want to use negative form of 有, it's 没有. Okay, it's 没有. So 他没有时间. He doesn't have time. Now the third one. 房间里有2个人. 房间里有2个人. So you can see at the beginning of the sentence we have 房间. 房间 is kind of a noun that refers to a place. That is why you know here 有 should mean there is or there are. Yeah? So 房间里, we also talked about 里. 里, it means inside or in something. So inside the room, there are 2 people. Inside the room, there are 2 people. 房间里有2个人. Okay? Next one. 车里没有人. 车里没有人. If you don't know what a 车 is, it means a car, right? So a car is a noun, and after the noun we have in, that is 里. So 车里, these 2 characters form a locative phrase, and then this 没有 means there is no, there are no. Okay? So 车里没有人, it means inside the car there are no people. Inside the car, there are no people. 车里没有人. Next one. 书上有2支笔. 书上有2支笔。书 a book. So a book is not a place. It's just a normal noun. That's why we need a position after this noun. So we have 上 that is on. So 书上 means on the book. And then we have this 有, then this 有 means there is, there are. 2支笔 means 2 pens. Okay, 2 pens. So you have the sentence 书上有2支笔. There are 2 pens on the book. There are 2 pens on the book. Alright, and here. 学校没有老师。学校没有老师。学校 means school. 老师 means teacher. So, school as a noun already means it's a place. So, that's why we don't need to use the position after school if this noun already refers to a certain place. That's why we say 学校没有老师. And of course, you can also use a position after 学校. That's not a problem. And since we're using a place in front of 有 or 没有, then this 有 or 没有 means there is, there's not. So 学校没有老师. There are no teachers in the school. Okay? The last sentence. iPad 里有照片。iPad 里有照片。So we don't have to translate iPad. iPad is an iPad. There's no... Maybe there's a Chinese version, but I prefer to say it's an iPad. Okay, so iPad is a typical noun. It's not a place. So if we want to talk about in the iPad, we say iPad 里 inside it. And then 有 there is, or there are. 照片 means photos. Okay, photos. So iPad 里有照片. It means there are photos in the iPad. Now let's wrap it up. So when we use Chinese 有, we have to know it has 2 meanings. The first one is to possess something, to have something. The second one is there is, there are, which means somewhere exists something. And if you want to use 有 as to have, to possess, you can just put somebody in front of it, and then it means somebody has something. But if you want to use 有 as to exist, so at the beginning of the sentence we need to use a noun that is somehow connected to the place. It could be a building, it could be a room. Or you can say on something, under something, or in something. Then you use the noun with those positions. And here we have 3 of them. Okay, that's all for today's video. Hopefully it was helpful and understandable. And if you would like to learn more about Chinese culture and Chinese language, please subscribe my channel and share this video with those people who are also learning Chinese. See you next time.